welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia. In today's video, I am actually going to get ready to go on a trip, and I decided to pop on the camera and show you guys the process. Now, before I leave or before I pack, I like to put on my hair and makeup. That way I know exactly what I'm going to need to pack. And today I've partnered with Sally Beauty to show you all of my beauty finds at super affordable prices that I know you guys will appreciate. Like this video if you love to shop, draw on a budget. Me! I gotta go, so before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already, and let's get started. First up is primer. Primer is super important if you want your makeup to last all day long. Also, I concentrate this on my cheeks, my chin, around my nose, and on my forehead, and anywhere else that you have fine lines, really enlarged pores and wrinkles. It helps to reduce the appearance of all of those while keeping your makeup locked in. Next, I'm going to apply my foundation. This one in particular is a buildable foundation, and it also has a matte finish. So I love that I can wear this thin for a natural look during the day and build it up to a more full coverage foundation at night. Also, the color complements my skin tone, and it was really easy to find my match. Next up, I'm going to apply some liquid concealer to the inner corners of my eyes. Now, as you guys can see, the foundation did a really good job of color correcting, but I'm just using the concealer to brighten up my face. And then I'm just going to easily blend this in with a concealer brush. Now I'm going to set it all using a pressed powder, and I get one that is one shade lighter than my skin tone and really concentrate underneath my eyes for a light baking process. Nothing too heavy or crazy because we don't want to emphasize any of our fine lines or wrinkles. Moving on to this Mosaic powder, it's a 2-in-1 blush and bronzer. I'm going to lightly dust this onto my cheeks for a really soft and healthy glow. Then I'm going to give myself a tan to hopefully match the one that I'm going to get on my vacation. This bronzer can be used all over your face and body, but I'm going to concentrate on the hollows of my cheeks, go around the frame of my face and my nose. Then I'm going to move on to my eyes. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette that is the perfect size for any cosmetic bag, and just sweep over a shimmery eyeshadow over my lids. Then to darken it up for a night out, I'm going to use this waterproof eye pencil to smoke out the edges of my eyes. So all you do is draw along the eye line and use your brush to smudge that out. Then to finish off my eyes, I'm going to be adding a coat of mascara to the top and bottom lashes. Now, to avoid any clumps or lumps in your mascara, I like to roll the applicator. This helps to brush out any of the clumps and evenly distributes all of the product to each lash hair. And to finish off my look, I'm going to apply this lip gloss that has a faint shimmer that makes your lips look fuller, and it smells like cake. And this is the final look for my makeup. Next up is hair. Now, just because you're traveling does not mean your hair routine has to suffer. I just washed my hair using my favorite Gentle Moisture shampoo, and I know I can't travel with these big boys, so I utilize these small dispensing bottles. I fill them up with my favorite shampoo, conditioners, and lotions, and they're perfect for TSA check. Next up, I'm going to be applying my heat protection. This is really important before blow drying, curling, straightening, or even exposure to the sun if you guys are going to the beach or to the pool. And I'm also going to be drying my hair using this conditioning ion travel dryer. I love it because it folds down and can fit into my carry-on bag. It's not heavy at all, and it actually dries my hair so quickly. I was really impressed with it. You're probably going to use this on an everyday basis. Then before I do any styling, I'm going to make sure that I detangle my hair by brushing it a few times, making sure that I take out any of the knots I've created with my blow dryer. And to style my hair, I'm using this mini combo styler, and it's great because you are able to straighten your hair, which is just easy, right? You just go through it pass by pass and you get this really nice, sleek, shiny, straight hair. And then also you're able to wrap your hair around the closed styler as a clipless wand, creating these really nice effortless waves. So super cool and really, really handy because you can just put it into this little pouch so you don't burn any of your clothing, and it just tucks away into your carry-on bag. You guys, I am obsessed with this tool. It's so cool. And then to finish off my look, I'm going to be adding a little bit of this finishing spray, which is a flexible hold hairspray. So it's going to hold your style, add shine, and then also keeps your hair from flaking or getting dusty looking. Then I like to cut time when I'm traveling and just use dry shampoo, and all you do is spray this onto the roots and give it a good shake. It leaves your hair volumized and smelling super refreshed, and this is the final look. And that's it. I'm all packed up for my trip, and if you guys would like to shop the items in this video, check out my curated shop by clicking on the link in the description box down below. Also, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.